Welcome to this bulldozer operation guide. Today, we'll learn how to safely and effectively use this powerful machine.
First, check the machine before starting. Inspect the tracks, blade, and engine oil levels. First, check the machine before starting. Inspect the tracks, blade, and engine oil levels.
Make sure there are no obstacles around. Safety always comes first.
Climb into the cab carefully and adjust your seat for comfort and control. Start the engine slowly. Listen for a smooth idle sound. It means your dozer is ready. Gently push the control lever forward to start moving the bulldozer. Keep your speed steady. Always look ahead for a clear path. When pushing soil, lower the blade slightly and move forward in a straight line.
Use short passes instead of long pushes for better control.
To turn, pull one lever back while pushing the other forward. When reversing, always check your mirrors and surroundings carefully. Keep the blade slightly raised when moving without pushing soil. When leveling ground, move slowly and use light pressure.
Always avoid steep slopes. If necessary, go straight up or down. Never sideways.
Keep your eyes on the ground texture. It tells you how much pressure to apply. Once finished, park the dozer on level ground and lower the blade completely. Turn off the engine and apply the parking brake.
Clean off any mud or dirt to keep your machine in top condition. Regular maintenance extends your bulldozer's life and performance.
Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep learning about heavy machinery.